Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss a logical operator supported by Python. Okay. So Python supports three different logical operator. First one is AND, then OR and NOT. Okay. So now let us discuss AND here. See, AND will return true if both statements are true. Okay. Before that, I just want to tell you all logical operators, that is AND, OR and NOT, will return a Boolean result. What I said, all logical operators, that is AND, OR and NOT, returns a Boolean result. Boolean result means its result will be either true or false. Okay. Now when when AND operator returns true, when both statements are true, then AND is true. Okay. When one of the statement is true, then OR is true. Okay. And NOT is used to just reverse the result. Okay. Now let us discuss this particular a logical operator with the help of one program. Okay, so see here in this program, for n I have assigned value as 50. Okay, now see here in the print statement, if I write like this, n greater than 10 and n less than 20, what I have done initially, for n I have assigned value as 50. Okay, and then in the print statement I am writing n greater than 10 and n less than 20. So both conditions I have mentioned here, greater than 10 and less than 20. Okay, remember, for all logical operators, operand will be conditions. Operand will be conditions. So here for this AND logical operator, we use two operand. First operand is this one, which is condition, and that is the thing, but it is n greater than 10. And second operator is this one, which is again condition, that is n less than 20. Okay, now for n here I have assigned value as 15, and if n is 15, then 15 greater than 10 and 15 less than 20, both conditions are true. So in this case AND will return true. Okay, now let me show you output. Its output will be true. See here, we are getting result as true. Okay, but see, when one of the condition is false, at that time this AND will return false. When AND will return true, when both conditions are true. Currently here both conditions are true, that's why we are getting result as true. Okay, now here if I make some changes in the first condition, suppose here if I write like n greater than 16 and n less than 20, what is our n? N is 15. So 15 greater than 16, condition false, but 15 less than 20, condition true. So here this is false and this is true. Okay, if this is the case, then this AND will return false, because to make AND as true, both conditions must be true, but here one of the condition is false. So if we execute this program, then it has to return a result false. See here. Okay, now see, now we will just discuss OR operator. Instead of AND here, if I write OR, now in this case what will happen? What is the description of OR given? When one of the condition is true, then it will return true, otherwise this will return false. Okay, now in this case, see, n is 15 greater than 16, this is false, but 15 less than 20, this is true. One of the condition is true. So if in case of OR one of the condition is true, then this will return result as true. See here, we are getting result as true. Then when OR return false, then both conditions are false. At that time OR will return false. Okay, now let us make this OR as false as well. Okay, so here again if I write condition like this, n greater than 16, that is 15 greater than 16 false, again 15 greater than 20 false, both false, in that case OR will return result as false. See here, we are getting result as false. I hope you are getting this point. Okay, in case of AND both conditions must be true, then only result will be true. In case of OR, if one of the condition is true, result will be true, otherwise it is false. Okay, Now one more operator is there, that is not. Okay, so here if I write like this, for complete expression I have used not. Okay, not is used to just change the result. Now here in previous case we have already discussed, this is false or this R is false because both conditions are false. But while printing this entire expression we have written in not. So reverse of false will be done. So it will just display result as true. It has to display result as true. See here, because result of this part will be false, but we have applied not on that. That's why false is converted into true. Okay. Now in this case, if I make it like this, then what will happen in this case? See here, in between or is there. Okay, so or if one of the condition is true, this will return true. So here this condition is false, but this is true. Okay, so overall result of this expression will be what? True. But for that entire result we apply not. That's why reverse of true will be done and it will just display result as false. So let me show you output. See here, we are getting result as false. Okay, so this is all about the logical operators in Python. Okay, three different logical operators are supported by Python. First one is and, then or, and then not. In case of and, when both conditions are true, result will be true, otherwise false. In case of or, when one of the condition is true, result will be true, otherwise it is false. And in case of not, not is just used to change, rather reverse the result of the system. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.